Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as we of course, please light it up as we're gonna have the first dance. And our couple's gonna be at the center. We're gonna get things ready first. Once the sparklers are all lit, ayan na. Enjoy this moment. Bubbles. Kaya palibutin po natin ang mag-asawa. Alright, okay? Alright, please surround the couple. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce our couple's first dance as husband.
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Ang lakas!
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!
Woo! On that note, ladies and gentlemen, we're excited to, of course, celebrate dinner tonight. Congratulations! A beautiful first dance and fireworks display. Let's please head inside as we're all excited to have dinner together and take pictures together with our newlyweds. Once you're settled down,